Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you Simulink Library in MATLAB. So first thing, when you open your MATLAB, you'll find that in Home tab, you have this Simulink Library option. Now when you click on it, you will find windows such as this open. And at the top, you will find this tab that says Libraries. And within Simulink you have these list of options. Basically all these set of options are part of ready to use algorithm code. Okay, for example, let's say you have this commonly used blocks where you have this gain, this product, terminator, all have dedicated algorithm in these blocks. When we connect this block in block diagram, we will be able to execute different set of algorithm for handling particular input and output. And we are going to take a look at that part in this video. So when you open this library browser, first let's go to this commonly used blocks. Then click on this gain and select add to new model. You can do that with Control-I shortcut as well, or simply select that and right click to add to new model. And you have your model browser right here. You can change the placement of this block the way you want. Next thing, let me go for sources. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of different set of sources. So here I'm going to find input through a constant. I'm going to add that to my model browser and it will be displayed right here. So we have constant input, then we have gain as amplifier. So let's have one more option for displaying our output, which is this display block. So basically when I add these into my model browser, I have to connect each piece of block. Now to connect that, we simply start from this input block, and until it turns black I have to connect to a right input point. You can connect it to the top or bottom, but only on the right input of another. So the output of this constant block is connected to the input of gain block. If it is black line, that means the connection is properly established. If it shows you red, that means it is not connectable on those points. So let's now connect this gain to the display. As long as it shows a red dash, it is not connected. The moment it shows this black dash, your output from gain is connected to display. Now to change this block's initial value, I have to double click on it and it will open parameters window. Here I can choose the constant value, let's say 5, and then apply. Then click OK. Now for amplification, let's say my amplifier amplifies any input by 50. Apply it, hit OK. Now you want to display the output of this amplifier to this display block here. For that, you have to click on this green button. When you click on it, it will process and immediately that output will be visible on display block. So the multiplication of your constant with your amplifier shows in display output. Likewise, you can do the simulation of different types of blocks. As you can see in your Simulink library browser, this left hand sidebar shows you aerospace, communication, DSP, fuzzy logic, image acquisition, and various other scientific blocks that you can use for your own requirement. So this was a short introduction to Simulink Library and Simulink Model Browser in MATLAB.